today's video, I'm going to show you how, if you don't know how to go to planetarium, I'm going to be showing you in this video right now. And I'm going to use my fan code. My fan code is AC Clash. No spaces or nothing. So, yeah, I'm going to join a public for this, okay? Since I don't want to show other people if they want to do it with me. But I'm also going to be blowing up planetarium too. I guess I'll do it more.
Can I have that?
What are you going to trade me for?
I guess
Yo. That you like bait or
I'll trade you.
yeah, that's a yeah.
What are you trading me for?
Is this a possible
Trying to
trade?
go to office with me?
I already have that.
Anybody?
Nah.
Anybody trying to go to office with me to do?
Okay, I thought that was all my progress.
I need some.
Well, yeah,
Like,
like,
hard to
like
get.
empty bags and stuff.
Oh yeah, I already have.
Boom!
Yo.
I'm gonna show you the damage spider trick and
Somebody
holy
buy me a shredder.
This?
Yeah.
Can we do this?
A rocket launcher, wet ammo.
Black. Can we do this trade?
Stealing's part of the game.
A galaxy? Is that a galaxy shield? Wait.
What
What are you guys even doing?
Stop.
What time come you?
Don't touch. Run away. Telephone.
Oh, perfect. You need one. Okay.
Yo,
so
somebody
you
snatched
need. If you want to blow up planetarium,
I didn't touch
you
it.
don't need
I have the shield.
You need
Yo, Black, stop.
one rocket in your bag. You need one rocket in your bag.
the same shield.
Yo,
One rocket, one umbrella. So you point it to like near that building, kind of. See in the sky, near that building. You'll go flying way across here. When you're here, you want to make your way over here. Then, so you see how it's over here? See how there's like, so you'll see it's big stone. You see how there's a gap in between? You want to do that. First, you need to get out these stuff. You need to get out the room rocket. Then you need to go do this. Right, for some reason you need to slide through.
Baby oil.
And here, down.
Yeah, baby oil. What?
Trust me, I'm not scamming you. Look. And you're in, then you just go through that door. Like regular. And you don't need a special rock launcher, obviously. I don't care about that. You don't need a special or nothing. If you want to blow up it, you should. See? Then, look. I don't even know how much stuff I got from that. I think my server cost out, so I got thing. So you see how, or you can just mine it and let's go right here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to come back if you're interested in getting back. This is kind of one part that I like. Like going home, then you turn big again. I like it.
What is happening?
You want to do this?
I just did a YouTube video.
This is picture number
Get me up!
Cornhole, turn around.
Orange,
Cornhole,
how are you
turn around.
doing that? Please.
Stop moving. Cornhole, stop moving. Cornhole, stop moving. I'm gonna take a picture of your
What's up, B? Yeah! Or just like, yeah. No. Just. Look, this is my pull up bar.
Look at that. Yeah, it's you. It's
I want the
body, man.
big pull ups.
It's bigger than your
No.
body. Here,
do
you
my
can
pull-ups.
keep that. I don't want to
pull ups. I got 4 wishes today.
Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade? Whoever wants to trade, come to the OG item.
What is?
It looks guys. It looks like
That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you have a wonderful break. Be it. Peace out, guys. Peace.